Probably about to hear hoovering in about 10 seconds. But how's it going, everybody? Welcome to another daily vlog, motherfuckers. And yeah, doing another daily vlog. I finally made it back in my house after the shenanigans that went on in yesterday's vlog. Go watch it if you already haven't. Apologise for that noise. So I'm just going to close this door really quick. But yeah, shit man, this house is just something wrong with it, that's all I'm saying. But today's vlog's going to be fucking awesome. I'm going to tell you guys why in just a little bit. My fucking hands are still in, I don't know why, but anyway. Yeah, so last night, if you already didn't see it, go check it out. I did the ghost pepper challenge. I ate it myself, and it didn't go over too well. It didn't go too well at all. It was kind of fucked, if you ask me. It was painful, and it definitely was not worth anything in life. So, what I'm going to be doing today, first of all, I've got a monster. It's my favourite monster now. It's called Monster Punch. It's fucking. Also, got my vape. So. Man's got his vape. This is the strawberry flavour in this. Very nice. Yeah, oh, fucking hell, strong. It's on like 50 volts at the minute, so it's pretty damn strong. But the video I'm going to be doing today is going to be kind of an interesting one. Because I've got, as I've shown you, one of these Fridget spinners where you just basically just spin it. Show you guys now. You basically just spin it like that and it just spins for hours. But these things are all over the fucking internet, and I thought, you know what? Why not trending what's trending? Guys, today I'm going to be doing a video with the Fridget spinner. I'm going to be doing the Fridget spinner versus something. I've not found out what I'm going to be doing yet, but it's going to be the Fridget spinner versus something. People are doing fidget spinners versus light bulbs versus fucking everything. Also doing trick shots where you actually just spin it in your hand like that. Where you just, I can't even do it. Just spin it in your hand and then just throw it. So I might even do that. So that's awesome, I guess. Keep an eye out for that. That's going to be in this vlog. Me playing with a little bit with the fidget spinner. So I got this idea of Faye's rug. I'm not copying him, well technically I am, but my Faye's rug's my favourite YouTuber. So Faye's rug, if you've been watching this, Brian Awadis, probably not, but I'm sorry. But goddamn, your video was awesome. So yeah, don't get me in too much trouble. I thought it would make a cool video, so why not do the fidget spinner versus whatever? Alright, let's start this vlog off. Right guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and throw the fidget spinner into the Sports Direct cup, standing over here. So I'm going to put the camera down somewhere, I don't know where, but I am. Hopefully it can fuck up. It's not going to work, is it? Where can I put you guys? I'll put you guys here. Is that okay? No? God damn it. This is a fail. Put you guys. Where can I? There we go. Everywhere's just slippy. Guys, hoping you can see me. Hello. I'm going to play with the fidget spinner right now. So I'm going to stand here. I'm going to basically just going to spin it like that, try and throw it in. So first attempt, I'm going to trick shot in the fidget spinner. That failed. Bitch! Nearly hit you guys. Alright, a few more goals. Fuck! Fuck! God damn it, right. A minute. One more go. Fuck! Guys, it might look easy, but it's actually really not. It's not easy at all. Right. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully. Alright, I'm making way too much noise, guys. I'm done. I got it in. Guys, that is just not easy. Like, I'll show you guys now. See if we can get it from here. It's so hard. Wait, I think where the hell has it got? There it is. 1 minute. God, I'm such a it's actually frustrating. Right, one more and that's it. I swear to God that is it. Okay, I'm done. Guys, that shit is just not easy. Just to prove that it's a real fidget spinner. There it is, it's a real thing, look, watch. This thing goes really fast once it's actually done. But yeah, I'm going to do something with that awesome later. Maybe fidget spinner versus a light bulb if I've got one. I really don't know. But it is what it is, you know. By the way, just to say, oh shit, they dropped me. That is not doing any good in this house, so. So yeah, I'm going to go find something to do with the fidget spinner. And we're going to do it, so. We're going to do this. Alright guys, I'm trying to find some kind of glass that I can actually use. That's horrible. Let's have a look here. Guys, I'm trying to find like a glass or something. I can't find nothing. There's got to be something I can use, surely. God, I don't even know if this is going to be impossible, but I found a glass habanero hot sauce versus, not the vape, the fidget spinner. So this is going to be fidget spinner versus glass challenge kind of thing. Alright, let's try it. Guys, so there is the actual finger, the finger, whatever it's called, I'm not sure. Don't judge me, I need to put you guys down while I spin it. Fuck. Right, it's just spinning really fast, I'm just going to throw it on it. That failed. Okay, attempt 2. Okay, attempt 3. This is absolutely impossible. Right, so this guy just appeared.
Are you?
Yeah, awesome. But I was in the middle of trying to get that. Hold that for me. Don't turn it off, just hold it. Point it at me. Guys, this is fucking impossible. Impossible. Alright, you try. Spin it really fast and try and smash that with it. No, mate, not like that.
Like what?
Jesus Christ. Hold it in your hand and spin it really fast.
Like this?
Yeah, that. Really fast like that. Like really fast.
Right.
Try and hit that one, doing it. Jesus Christ.
Not doing that.
You really? Why are you doing that?
He's falling up my hand. I've got 2 big hands. Right, and then attempt 2.
Really fast, you got. It won't work. It's not working, is it? Well, that's that. Alright, guys. The fidget spinner versus glass failed, but.
I want to try it on ground now, see what it's like.
You don't try it on ground, you're supposed to hold it.
Ah.
1 minute, I'll show you. Hold this a minute. Point at me. Basically, you just hold it like that. Keep it.
How I go? You keep hold of it.
Don't look very fast, but it is in real life. Don't throw it. No problems. I said don't throw it. God. Alright. Well, that's that. Hopefully it's not broke. Hang on. It's not. Right, guys, that was a fidget spinner. Didn't work, failed, but do you know what? I don't really give a shit.
Have you got a drink at the start? I'll give you 2 seconds.
No, I'm out of drink. But yeah, that's it. Okay, that's a fidget spinner video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, so please like, subscribe, favourite, turn channel notifications on. And I love every single one of you. If you want me to do some more stuff with the fidget spinner, let me know. And yeah, I'll do it. So, say anything? Ciao. Ciao for now. Peace out, guys. I'm going to do one. Do you want to cover the lens?
Ciao.